So you're probably wondering how I make these type of edits where the car like goes around the screen and then it gets put in place. And in this video, I'll show you how to make that type of edit. So basically, what you want to do is you want to grab your video, and then let's cut it. Let's cut it right here. Let's cut it right here, and then you want to get the video to put in there. So then you find the frame you want to have the car moving around. So you click on the video, you press freeze, and then you press overlay. You want to put this down here and then split right there. So then you want to click down on the overlay. You want to do background removal, and then I don't have Pro, so I just do it myself. And then you just outline the car. After you have what you want outlined, then hit the check mark. Actually, I need to erase some stuff. Or whatever. Okay, so after you have the car, what you want to do is you want to add a beat and then place it where you want it to go. So you can do like the corner, then add another beat and move it to this area, add another beat down here, and then boom. And then you can add it up back to the original spot. And then right before the video ends, you add a beat and you have it go down to the middle and then make it bigger, the normal size, and then it'll cut into this video. So then what you want to do is you want to click this little graph thing, hit ease in, make all of them ease in. Oh crap. Oh yeah, I need to turn off the volume so I don't get copyright. Alright, after you do that, then you might have to split it a second, but then it goes around. Boom. Oh, that was perfect. And then that's how you make the edits. That's how I make my edits. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos. Alright, bye.